Checking trademarks can be confusing and frustrating for many KDP publishers. However, not after this video where I show you a clear guide on how I check trademarks very easily. And before I start to the process, you should know that there are some common sense trademarks. For example, Disney coloring book. You don't have to go and check for the trademarks. It's clear that Disney is a famous trademark, so all of these books must belong to Disney trademark, and you are not allowed to publish a book with this trademark, whether it was a coloring book, a logbook, and so on. And also, for example, the names of the celebrities. So you cannot, for example, create a book about Messi coloring book because Messi is a celebrity, or famous shows, and so on. So those are common sense trademarks. You don't have to check for the trademarks before you avoid them. Now let's move to the confusing part, which I'm gonna show you in a simple way. And by the way, I'm not a legal expert. However, I'm showing you how I search for trademarks. So let's say, for example, I want to create a book about bullet journal. Bullet journal, this niche. So how can I check if this is a trademark or not? So I'm going to this website, which is uspto.gov, which is a US trademark office, and I'm going here to the trademarks application process and click here on the searching trademarks. Then this page will come and I'm gonna click here on search our trademark database. Then we should just use this basic wordmark search, new user, and here we put our phrase or keywords that we want to check. In this case, I want to check bullet journal, so you can just let this as combined work mark and this all search terms and submit. So as you can see, here we got 4 trademarks. However, you can see that this one, the last one, is dead, so there's no need to check this one. However, this one, for example, we are gonna click on the trademark and check for the classes. So as you can see, sometimes it's written here. So this one, the third trademark, it's written that it's live and it's on classes 16 and 41. And the class that we are looking for is 16, 016. So this one obviously is a trademark in the class that we are looking for. So what does mean 016? It's the type of services and goods that this trademark covers. So 16 is the printed goods, including printed books and paperbacks that we are going to create on Amazon. So here, just to make sure, this is the trademark bullet journal, and here you can see the goods and services, and the 16 is included. And just to make sure, here it will be written, so notebooks, blank journal books, blank journals, blank paper notebooks, customizable journal books, paper notebooks. So all of these are included with this trademark. And here you can see that it's a live trademark. So you cannot go with this title, bullet journal notebook, for example, because it's clearly a trademark. So this one is very basic and it's clear that it's a trademark. However, let's move to another one, which is gratitude journal. So I'm gonna go back here to the search and enter gratitude journal. So as you can see, we got 13 records found for these keywords. And as you can see, some of these word marks contain gratitude and doesn't contain journal. Some of them contain gratitude journal with a phrase before it, or journal of gratitude in another order. And some of them are exactly gratitude journal as these ones in the bottom. So all of these gratitude journal are exactly the same. And here, as you can see, the classes, it's on 9, 16, 41, 41. So 16 is included. However, as you can see here, it's a dead trademark. So it was before a trademark, but now this one doesn't cover the trademark. So to make it easier, I will go back here and select the live trademarks only. So I just want to see the live trademarks. I don't care about the dead trademarks. So as you can see, we got 3 better than the 13 before. So for example, this is the first one. And before I check the classes or it's dead or not, as you can see, I don't know which language is this. However, I can see that gratitude is here at the end, and even it's not the same word, so it's missing the E here, and it doesn't contain journal. However, the translation, the English translation for this keyword is dream and gratitude journal. So let's consider that the keyword or the trademark is dream and gratitude journal. So this is the trademark, dream and gratitude journal. Is this trademark included in my book, in somewhere in my book, in the title, for example? And the answer is kind of yes, because I will include gratitude journal. However, I'm not gonna include dream and gratitude. So dream and these two keywords are missing in my title. I'm not gonna write them. So is that okay? And the answer is yes. Okay, so let's say that my title is Gratitude Journal Notebook, and the subtitle is Daily Gratitude Self-Care Affirmations. So as you can see, I have included gratitude journal. However, this is not a trademark. The trademark is dream and gratitude journal. So if I included, for example, in the subtitle here, dream and gratitude journal, now this is a trademark, dream and gratitude journal. So now this is not okay. However, my book is like this, daily gratitude self-care affirmations. So it doesn't include dream and gratitude journal. So that is okay. So you shouldn't include the exact trademark keywords in the exact same order in your book. However, it's okay to include a part of the trademarks, like gratitude journal in this case. However, for this niche, for example, it's still not done. So this is the first trademark. The second trademark is this one, 5-minute gratitude journal. And as you can see, gratitude journal is included here. However, it came after 5-minute gratitude journal. So again, it's not okay to write in your title 5-minute gratitude journal. However, it's fine to write gratitude journal without the 5-minute. This will be okay. And this one, for example, include the 16 class. So we should avoid the 5-minute gratitude journal at all. And it's a live trademark. And the last one, for example, is also the same case. So give me 5 gratitude journal. This one is a trademark. However, the gratitude journal alone without the give me 5 is fine to publish on. And sometimes you'll say, oh, I don't want to risk my account because of these 2 keywords, give me 5. So just to make sure, you can go to Amazon, type gratitude journal, for example, and see, is there any book here that contains the same keywords I'm looking for and it's still live and there is no problem. So this one, for example, the title is Gratitude Journal. Invest few minutes a day to develop thankfulness, mindfulness, and positivity. So as you can see here, it has 1,600 ranking, which is great. So it's getting a lot of sales, and it has almost 3,000 reviews. So that means that this book is okay. It's not getting any trademark problems. And here you can find even more books with the same gratitude journal title. So that means that this is okay. And you will say, hey Muja, this is only for the United States trademarks. Maybe there is a trademark in the UK. And instead of going to each individual country trademark search-based office, I have a solution. So for example, we have Trademarkia, and this website can search over 11 million trademarks for free. So if we write, for example, gratitude journal, you can see some trademarks with the class 16, but they are not live. So you should see here the status is registered or live. So those are cancelled or abandoned. This one is registered. However, it's the same as we viewed before. Give me 5 gratitude journal, and it's included in the 16. However, it's not the exact keyword that we are looking for. And if you want to use another tool or another website which search even more trademarks, so the previous one for plus 11 million, this one searched for 111 million trademarks. So it's insane, a lot of trademarks all the globe, not only the US and the UK. So we can search for gratitude journal like this one and wait for a second. And here, as you can see, so for example, this one, gratitude journal, it's the same keyword that we are gonna use, and it's included the number 16, which is the books, the printed books. However, it's ended, the trademark is ended, and it's in Canada. And for example, this one is 16, the same keyword, however, it's ended. So if this one here is still registered, we cannot use this trademark. But thankfully, these are all ended. Oh, this one is registered, and it's on 16 class, and it's the exact same keyword. Oh, does that mean that we cannot use this keyword? Again, no, you can. So what's the problem? What's wrong here? It's all as you said. So here, the problem is it's on China, and we are not targeting China in my book. So this one, if you click here, you can see that the trademark office is China, and we are not targeting China in any way for this book. So it's gonna be fine. And for example, in one of my previous videos, I've talked about Kakuro puzzle book, and some of you guys commented that, oh, this is a trademark. So just to clarify, Kakuro puzzle book is not a trademark. The trademark is martial arts Kakuro. So this is the trademark, martial arts Kakuro. Is this exact keywords included in my title? No, I will not include martial arts Kakuro. I will say Kakuro puzzle book. So it's fine to go with this niche, even if it was covering the 16 class, which is books, and it's live. However, it's not the exact keyword. And sometimes you find a keyword that it's exactly included in your book. However, it's not in the same class. So for example, blood pressure, and it's alive. However, it covers, for example, another category, so class 10 or class 9 or 5. So that's fine, because there are trademarks, for example, for the blood pressure machines and indicators. So there is a huge market, more than only books. And sometimes you will get the exact same keywords, however, you will find that it's dead. So for example, here, this one is habit tracker, and the goods and services is included are class 44, 100, 101, so 16 is not included. However, this one, the second one, include the number 16 class, which is printed books. However, this trademark, habit tracker, is dead trademark. So now you can go on Amazon and search for habit tracker like this, and you can see some books with this trademark because it's okay as it's dead currently. So I hope that it's clear, and if you are targeting multiple marketplace, you can use Trademarkia or TMView, whichever you want. And if you are targeting a specific marketplace, you can go to that specific marketplace database search office, like this one, USPTO for the US, or this website for the UK, and so on. So now you know some of the trademarks that you should avoid so you don't harm your book. However, it's very hard to find a profitable niche with low competition and high demand. So to make it easy for you, watch this video right here where I'm going across the top 5 KDP niches for 2023.